to celebrate the new year. And as is typical, a few seconds before the new year, a countdown was held with a lemon yellow pyrotechnics display at the International Finance Center complex, along with other 9 buildings. The word 2011 appeared on one wall before the fireworks show started. And this is coming to us live from Hong Kong. The show will last for 4 minutes, which resembles a flying huge dragon, hoping the Hong Kong economy will be better in 2011. The pyrotechnic show costs about 7.8 million yuan, and 400,000 people are estimated to be watching. What we see right now is the live feed from Hong Kong, where people are celebrating at the Victoria Harbour, and everybody from across the country in China are celebrating and welcoming this new year, 2011. What we had just seen was in Hong Kong, and now we go to Guangzhou. 2011 has just arrived in China, and people in the country are jubilantly celebrating, hoping for prosperity in the new year. What you're watching now is a live feed from Panyu District in South China's Guangzhou City, where fireworks are being launched in celebration. The countdown event in Panyu District is normally held in the popular Panyu Plaza, but this year is different. It is being held at the town's sports center. Fireworks are exploding above the city, lighting up the night sky. The crowd is filled with local residents as well as visitors from other parts of Guangzhou City. This is the second fireworks display in the district. The first was launched 1 hour ago. During our news update over the next few hours, we will continue to show you live images from many cities across the world and as well as China as people usher in the new year across the globe.